Meow. Lesson 38. Professor Whiskers here with another practical transportation lesson. You learned taxis yesterday. Today we learn public transport. Bus, subway, train. Cheaper than taxis. Better for the environment. Great for daily life in cities. But you need to know how to buy tickets, ask about routes, understand announcements, and know when to get off. Where do I buy a ticket? Which bus goes to downtown? Is this the right train? How many stops? Excuse me, this is my stop. Today we learn everything for using public transport. By the end of this lesson, you can take buses, subways, and trains confidently in any city. Let us learn public transport English. Cats do not use buses or trains. Too crowded. But I understand they're essential for humans. First, let us understand different types of public transport. Public transport types. Bus. Drives on streets. Stops at bus stops. Above ground. Cheap. Available in most cities. Subway. Also called metro, tube, or underground. Trains underground. Fast. No traffic. Big cities mainly. Tram. Also called streetcar or trolley. Electric train on streets. Runs on tracks. Some cities have these. Train. Long distance between cities, or commuter trains within region. Railway station. Light rail. Like subway but above ground usually. Modern system. Some cities. Different names, same systems. Subway in USA. Metro in many countries. Tube in London. Underground also in UK. All mean same thing. Train system, underground or above ground. Fast urban transport. Payment systems vary. Some cities use tickets. Single ride paper tickets. Some use cards. Reloadable transport cards. Some use contactless. Tap your credit card or phone. We will learn all methods today. You need a ticket or card to ride. How do you get one? At ticket machines. Most systems have ticket machines. Touch screen. Multiple languages often. Step 1. Select language. Choose English. Step 2. Choose ticket type. Single ride. Day pass. Weekly pass. Step 3. Choose destination. Some systems charge by distance. Step 4. Pay, cash, or card. Step 5. Take your ticket. At ticket counter. Person working there can help you. Excuse me, I need a ticket to downtown. Agent. Single ride or day pass. What is the difference? Agent. Single ride is $3. One trip. Day pass is $10. Unlimited rides today. I will take a day pass, please. Agent. That is $10. You pay. Agent. Here is your pass. Thank you. Transport cards. Many cities have reloadable cards, like Oyster in London, Charlie card in Boston, Octopus in Hong Kong. Where can I buy a Metro card? Agent. Here. It is $5 for the card, plus you add value. Okay. Can I add $20? Agent. Sure. That is $25 total. You pay. Agent. Here you are. Tap this card at the gates. Types of tickets. Single ride. One trip. One direction. Round trip. Or return ticket. There and back. Day pass. Unlimited rides for one day. Weekly pass. Unlimited rides for 1 week. Monthly pass. For people who use it daily. At the bus stop. Look at bus stop sign. Shows which buses stop here. Shows bus numbers and destinations. Excuse me, which bus goes to the museum? Person. Bus number 42. Does it stop here? Person. Yes, this stop. Thank you. How often does it come? Person. Every 10 minutes. Asking about routes. Does this bus go to Main Street? Person. Yes, this bus goes there. Or, no, You need bus 15. You. Which stop do I get off? Person. 5th stop. I will tell you. At the subway station. Look at maps. Large maps show all lines and stations. Different colored lines. Red line. Blue line. Green line. You. Excuse me. Which line goes to the airport? Person. Blue line. Platform 2. You. Thank you. Understanding directions. Uptown. Going north. Towards city outskirts. Downtown. Going south. Towards city center. Eastbound. Going east. Westbound. Going west. Northbound. Going north. Southbound. Going south. Reading signs. To platforms. Follow to trains. Exit. Way out of station. Connection. Transfer to other lines. Way out. Same as exit. Information. Help desk. Toilets. Bathrooms. Time to board. How to get on and off properly. Getting on the bus. Bus arrives. Wait for people to get off first. Then get on. Usually front door. Pay or show your ticket. Driver. $3 please. Here you are. Insert money or tap card. Driver. Thank you. Find a seat. Or hold the pole of standing. Getting on the subway. Go through gates. Tap your card or insert ticket. Gate opens. Walk through. Go to platform. Check signs for direction. Wait behind yellow line. Safety line on platform edge. Train arrives. Wait for people to exit. Then get on. Doors open automatically. During the ride. Hold on. Grab pole or handle. Especially if standing. Watch for your stop. Listen to announcements. Look at signs. Some systems have screens showing next stop. Requesting your stop on bus. Pull cord. Or press button. Signal you want to stop. Usually above window or on poles. Ding sound. Driver knows someone wants to get off. Or you can say, "Excuse me, next stop please." Getting off the bus. Wait for bus to stop completely. Exit through back door usually. Some buses exit through front. Say, "Thank you," to driver if exiting front. Getting off the subway. Train stops. Doors open automatically. Stand up. Move toward door. Exit quickly. Do not block doors. Follow exit signs. Sometimes you are confused. Need to ask someone. Common questions. Excuse me. Does this bus go to the airport? Yes, it does. Or, no, you need bus 50. Which stop do I get off for the museum? 3rd stop. Or, I will tell you when we are there. Is this the right platform for downtown? Downtown trains are here. Or, no, downtown is platform 3. How many stops to Main Street? 5 stops. Can you tell me when we arrive at City Hall? Sure, I will let you know. To the driver. Excuse me, does this bus stop at 5th Avenue? Yes, it does. Can you tell me when we are there? Sure. To other passengers. Very common to ask fellow passengers. Most people are helpful. Excuse me. Is this the train to Brooklyn? Yes, it is. Do you know if this bus goes to the hospital? I am not sure. Let me check. Looks at map. Yes, it does. If you are lost. Excuse me. I think I am on the wrong train. I want to go to the airport. Oh, you need the blue line. Get off at the next stop. Transfer to the blue line. Where do I transfer? Next station. Follow signs for blue line. Thank you so much. No problem. Public transport has announcements, audio and visual. You need to understand them. Common announcements. Next stop, Main Street. Tells you what is coming next. This is Main Street. Doors opening on the right. You are at the stop now. Please stand clear of the closing doors. Doors are about to close. Do not block them. This train terminates here. All passengers must exit. This is the last stop. Everyone gets off. Change here for the red line. Transfer point. You can switch to another line. Delays on the green line due to maintenance. Problems. Trains are slow or not running. Please mind the gap. London phrase. Gap between train and platform. Be careful. If you cannot hear clearly, ask someone. Excuse me, what did that announcement say? Person. Next stop is Fifth Avenue. You. Thank you. Or look at screens. Most modern systems have visual displays. Sometimes you need to change lines. Transfer from one to another. Understanding transfers. Transfer. Change from one line to another, or one bus for connection. Same meaning. Where lines meet. Excuse me. How do I get to the airport from here? Driver. Take the red line to Central Station. Then transfer to the blue line. You. Where do I transfer? Driver. At Central Station. Follow signs for blue line. Do I need another ticket? Driver. No. Your ticket covers transfers. Some systems allow free transfers within a time limit, like within 2 hours. Some systems require new ticket, making transfers. Train arrives at transfer station. Get off, follow signs. Transfer to blue line. Look for blue line platform. Find correct direction. Eastbound or westbound. Get on blue line train. Bus to bus transfers. Some systems give you a transfer ticket. Driver. Going to the mall? You need to transfer to bus 20. You. Do I need another ticket? Driver. Here is a transfer. Give this to the next driver. You. Thank you. Asking about transfers. Do I need to transfer? Where do I transfer? Is the transfer free? How do I get to the other platform? Some situations you might encounter on public transport. Priority seating. Special seats near front. For elderly, pregnant women, disabled people, people with small children. If you are sitting there and someone needs it, offer your seat. You. Please. Take my seat. Person. Thank you very much. Lost items. You left something on the bus or train. Go to Lost and Found. Or call Transport Authority. You. I left my bag on bus number 42 this morning. Agent. What time? You. Around 9 a.m. Agent. What does it look like? You. Black backpack. Agent. Let me check. We will call you if we find it. Service disruptions. Announcement. Green line is closed due to maintenance. Use replacement bus service. Temporary buses replace trains. Look for signs. Replacement bus. Shuttle bus. Emergency. Emergency button on buses and trains. Only use in real emergency. You. Excuse me. Someone needs help. Driver or staff responds. Crowded transport. Rush hour. Morning and evening. Very crowded. You might need to squeeze in, or wait for next one if too full. Some cities have designated women-only cars during rush hour. Homework time. Task 1. Imagine you are taking the subway to the museum. Write the complete conversation. Include buying ticket, asking which line, and asking when to get off. Use today's lesson as guide. Task 2. Practice these essential public transport phrases out loud 5 times each. Does this bus go to downtown? Which line goes to the airport? How many stops? Can you tell me when we are there? Is this the right platform? Task 3. In the comments, tell us, do you use public transport? What kind? Bus, subway, train, or do you prefer other transportation? Example. I take the subway every day to work. It is fast and cheap. Or, I use the bus sometimes. My city does not have a subway. Or, I do not use public transport. I drive my car. Or, I walk or ride my bicycle. Share your transportation habits in English. In Lesson 39, we learn hotel check-in and check-out, reservation, room number, amenities, problems, paying the bill. Everything you need for staying in hotels, from arriving to leaving. But today, you learn public transport English, bus, subway, train, how to buy tickets, how to find the right route, how to ask for help, how to get on and off, how to transfer. Public transport is economical, environmentally friendly, fast in cities, avoids traffic. Learning to use public transport in a new city is empowering. You can go anywhere. You are not dependent on taxis. You can explore freely. It seems complicated at first. Different systems, different rules, different payment methods. But the basic phrases are universal. Does this go to? How many stops? Which line? Can you tell me when? These phrases work in every city. London, New York, Tokyo, Paris, anywhere. Practice asking these questions. Even in your own city, even if you know the answer. Practice makes perfect. Next time you are in a new city, try the public transport. Use your English. Ask questions. Explore. You can do it. Travel smart. Meow.